Good morning. As you can see, there's another box on this bench. And I slit the top. It just arrived the other day. This is supposed to be the tiny Stirling engine. The itty bitty one from Jin at Microcosm. This packaging is, yep, there we go, Okamo, the J-06. Beautiful. The packaging is just getting amazing on these engines. It's got such a tiny burner. The top is threaded. It's got that wick in there. So that should be easy to fill. Hey. Big hunk of spare wick. And wow. All right. Let me get some fuel in this burner and move the camera for a good close-up shot, and we'll light this. Is there anything else in this box? More padding and nothing underneath. All right. Okay. We are filled and there. Okay. Good, another second of heating there. All right, did I left the wick quite low. Oh, and it burnt out again. Alright, I guess I will pull the wick up a teeny bit. Alright, more wick. There we go. Just need a little more wick than I had. And apparently a tiny windbreak, because there's a teeny tiny breeze in the garage. There.